Hi, it's Mindy. And we're gonna do a side Dutch braid with a little bun on the side. We'll see how it goes. Start from a parting. You want to start square off of the parting, just like so. Split it into 3. Now you always want to work from the hairline in. So we start here and go under for the Dutch braid. And then you take, see, now it's under there. You take this one and you go under the other one, like so. See? Okay. For this type of hairstyle, you want to be as close to the hairline as possible. You just keep pulling hair from the outside and go under with the outside piece. Take this one, go under, and bring some hair with you. And you switch hands. Take this piece, your last piece, and go under, and then grab some hair with you. And then switch hands again. Back to the hairline, pull it under, and take some hair with you. And you just keep doing that. That's your typical Dutch braid. Why they call this one the Dutch and the other direction of French braid? You got me. I'll have to look that one up. No, I really like the fishtail braid, or herringbone. I really like them. They're so pretty, but they take so much time that sometimes I just lose patience with doing it. So I usually end up with a regular or Dutch or like a 3-strand. Wait, regular and Dutch is a 3-strand. 4-strand. Kind of pretty. If you want, you can kind of paint and cake them out. What you do, I learned this over practice, you just pull out the last area. See how it's laid out like that? You just want to take from the outer edge and pull up. 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 One thing I do like about the Dutch braid over the French braid is that for somebody with fine hair like myself, it gives you volume. Where the French braid is very beautiful in itself. The Dutch braid just gives it more volume when you're working with it. Not quite so stuck to the head as a French braid can be. But I have beautiful thick hair like I did on some like this, but a French braid on my cousin, it turned out beautiful. Her hair was a little bit shorter than this, so I was able to just do a cute little like fun messy end instead of a button, which I'll be doing with this one. Got busy talking, almost forgot to do this. Got myself lost there, but thankfully I figured it out. I get so distracted. I'm definitely, ooh, squirrel. I'm not a huge talker, so this is a lot of practice for me. If you talk, I will definitely listen, but talk myself just to talk, not so good at it. Even when I'm talking to myself, it's all in my head. I don't really say anything out loud. Even if there's nobody around, I still don't always talk out loud. Unless I'm frustrated. Sometimes I talk out loud when I'm frustrated. Are you able to see this still? Maybe I should scoot back. There you go. Now we can see it a little bit better. You might want to turn the head a little bit so you can see. Grab my hair from the inside, add it to. Switch hands. Turn the outside under and bring some hair with you. And go ahead and pancake a little bit if you would like. A little fluffing, as I like to call it. Do just a little bit of fluffing. Just a little bit. Back up just a little bit. Ooh, maybe that's what my problem is. I've been way too close. Okay. Now. The synthetic hair is a pain sometimes, but it's good for practicing. Especially when, quarantine. Or just everybody else is too busy to get their hair done. Do you like my little fobbly thing there? Yeah, it works to keep my hair out of my face for now. Almost through. Tanglies. Okay. Switch hands again. Beautiful day out. It was a little chilly and overcast earlier, but it's cleared up pretty nice. See what I mean about a little bit tangly? Oh, getting close to you again. I'm a traveling stylist. Anyways. Mannequin heads can be fun too, because their head is so non-rounded shaped and hairline. Take another piece and add it too. It's gonna look like a big tangly mess. I'm sorry about that. Get my brush it out. Hey! Excuse me. Tend to randomly hiccup. That's a weird FYI about me. Okay, we're getting towards the end here. Get the last piece and pull it to the rest. Do a little bit more of a Dutch braid. Kind of a fluff. More fluffing. Sorry. Probably couldn't see that. Okay. And braid the messy tail here we got going on. And then kind of fluff it out as best you can. Lots of fluffing, lots and lots of fluffing. And I've walked closer to you again. Lots and lots of fluffing. To get the bun really pretty.
I want to show you something.
Okay, you're gonna have to hold on a second. Yeah. You hold it up. Get your bobby pins. You always want to go tuck in through the back. Now, a lot of people open their bobby pins up wide to grab the hair, but that tends to put too much hair into the bobby pin and bounces back out, and it's only just kind of ridiculous thing to do. Another thing, hence experience. No, there's no really rhyme or reason to where you want to place them. Just where it looks good to you. That will keep the hair looking beautiful and then secure and in place without really showing too much of where you've placed them. So it kind of looks like mysterious of how it's holding up. Just about. And you can tweak it, maybe just like do a little bit of spray there and make it hold, would be nice. So here is the finished project. I think it looks pretty good, almost kind of vintage looking. And there you go, your Dutch side braid with the bun. Thanks for watching. See you next time.